Hey guys, Marlon with Cypress Computers, and today we're going to speak about a simulator. We have a flying simulator. Right now it's running on an AMD build. It's got an RX 580 on it. It's a Ryzen 6 with a liquid cooled 8 gigs of RAM and a solid state drive. So it's a Logitech Yoke. We have the paddles. You can get the throttles at the bottom if you'd like as a separate. So let's have a look real quick of how it works. So on the right side you get the throttle. You can go anything between 0 and you got numbers. So example, you can go like 25. And you can hear the engine going. You have the brake, which you gotta release, and then you can go to 50, 70, and then 100. This is a SR71. It's a Blackbird. It's a fighting jet that they use. You can take off from now if you like by pushing it towards you. Right now it's letting me know that I'm going too fast, so I need to take it easy on it. And you can slowly take off. You got more options in the game. You can turn it on any side. It's gonna come out. Yeah, okay. Okay. But anyways, for those who have any questions in the simulator, please give us a call to the store. It's 281-647-9977. Thank you.